distribution panels or packaging for the customer, it can come in different form factors. Sometimes it can just be a base module that they plug into and it distributes the different loads and circuits off of one module. Sometimes it can be a whole panel where you have multiple distributions for ignition circuits or battery circuits. It can come in different packaging sizes. Some are just a module, some are a whole panel with multiple pieces. So it really depends on how many circuits the vehicle has, and then also if you have ignition circuits or just battery power circuits, what different power circuits do you have on the truck. And then everything is fused either with circuit breakers or with fusing, so you have all that safety protection in place for that. And we really make it easy by allowing the customer to connect their battery power connection or their ignition power connection, whatever the power source is. But we can even bring it down to just the battery cables come right in to one point. They hook the two power in the ground in, and then we take care of the distribution over to the ignition side, maybe with ignition control relay or something to switch those circuits on. But we can package it all neatly and easily so that the customer just has a neat, quick, and easy connection. With certain power distribution modules, in that case, they have built-in fusing, they have built-in relays and such, maybe just even fusing, but certain devices even have CAN circuitry such that it knows, it's got smarts to tell you which relay is what, and then through the displays or through troubleshooting diagnostics, we can tell you what that fuse is. We can even pop up indication or warnings about this circuit has a blown fuse, you need to resolve it. We can show you pictures of exactly where it is to make it easy for the troubleshooting efforts of the team. So they know why something isn't working because that fuse or that circuit's been tripped or gone down, and then we can lead them right to pinpoint to the location of what they need to change to make it easy to quickly get them back up and running. And you can weigh whether adding the additional smarts for the additional cost weighs off. Usually it does because it ties into the rest of the CAN circuits and the overall monitoring of the machine. So more and more we've seen customers want to know more about their machines and want to actively see what the status is of different circuits, different sensors, and so forth. So adding this is another piece of that puzzle. And then the ease of troubleshooting. Now I don't have to understand, oh, why do all my lights not work anymore? And I have to go digging through wires and try to figure out what's going on. This will quickly tell me, oh, just all I gotta do is replace this fuse or trip this breaker, then I'm back up and running.